Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. And if we look, the rectangles are 2 by 2 or 2 inches tall. They've already made the font 2 inches tall. They want to be able to put like A right here to the left, B, C, D, E. Well, first of all, we got to go to object and break that apart. This is simple, simple, simple. Grab the A, shift select the rectangle and go CE. And then go L for left, B. Shift select the other rectangle, C, E, L. Let's try it again another way. Let's go, you can't go L last, but go E, L. It does work. So you can break out the center part. So let's go here. This is just 2 steps now. I'll go C puts it in the center. No, E would have put it in the center, and then L. So we need to do the last one. Shift select the box, and I think I hit E puts it even. That's funny that it's actually E on the keyboard, puts it even, and then go L, it's going to put it to the left. I could put it to the right now that it's selected, because that's the other code. Left, right, center, and even. That's pretty slick, because he said he has to do a lot of them, and different sizes and different fonts, and I would like to see the end result. But so CEL. Let's do this one more time. I'm almost. Let's back up quite a bit. Do a couple of them. So this is where they were originally. So we're going to go. We're going to select. You have to select the letter first. Well, it doesn't have to be a letter. You have to select the item you don't want to move last. So let's just select the box and then the letter and go CE. See, the box moves. So you have to select the letter, the box second, and we're going to go EL. Wow. Letter, shift, EL. I mean, couldn't get it much easier than that. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.